Hi, I'm Daniella Schlisser of Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to Residence 11C at 930 Fifth Avenue. Using all imported materials, millwork, sconces, spearheaded by a world-renowned Italian designer, no expense was spared in designing this spectacular home. Ideally commanding the southwest corner of 930 Fifth Avenue, 11C offers the most mesmerizing views you will have ever seen, overlooking the lush greenery of Central Park and all the beautiful architecture of the West Side. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 11C at 930 Fifth Avenue.